Hello students, today we will learn how to log into Diksha portal and explore the content which is there in the Diksha portal. So first, you can directly go to the Diksha portal using the URL that you have or the application you have it in mobile, or you can search it on Google saying Diksha portal. Here you can see this is a government authorized website, so it will be diksha.gov.in. You need to log into that. You need to go to that page, and as you need to explore Diksha, click on Explore Diksha tab here. Once you click it, you will be having the content for all the mediums and all the classes here. What you can do is you can go to this icon and you can log in to Diksha portal so that whatever learning you do in your account gets recorded. In my previous presentation, I told you how to register for Diksha portal. So we are using the same mobile number to log into this portal. Okay, once you enter your email address or mobile number, you can say login. Now you have logged into your account, and you can also update your profile by going to the profile menu here and then click on edit. The name is already there. You can select your role as teacher or student, as you are, most of you are students, so please select it student. State, whichever state you are residing in, and district, and then you need to submit it. Similarly, you can edit other details as well. If you are promoted from class 6 to class 7, you can easily change your classes from here. You need to scroll it down. Okay, so for now I have selected class 6th. Medium is English and the board is CBSE. Medium English, class 6th. And now I can also select the subject for which I need the content. Or I can keep it as it is because I need the content for all the subjects. So again, I can go to the digital textbooks here. Now here you can see for class 6th, English textbooks are there, geography, Hindi, history, mathematics. Today I will tell you how to use the comic book of mathematics for your learning. So you need to go to the mathematics column here and then go to the comic book mensuration. Click on it. Once you click on this comic book, you will be having a display of this comic book here, which is of 36 pages. So one by one you need to read all the pages and go through the book entirely. See, these comic books are really interesting to read because they are made in such a way that they relate your subject with the surrounding. So there is a storyboard here. You need to go through the characters and then you need to start learning the comics. Once you start learning the comics, you will go through each pages one by one. And there are some problems which are related to the comic, which you can easily find out by using the formulae or the concepts given in the comic book. And there are some puzzles as well. You need to try out these puzzles, and you can also do this activity. Once you are going to finish this book, you will be getting a certificate like this badge, like you enjoyed this content. You can give the feedback, then submit it, and then it will show you just completed. This is the way you complete any text material or any digital material in the Diksha portal, and it gets added to your account. Then again you can go back and go through the digital textbooks here which are given for various subjects. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in for more updates.